Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to connect Candy Crush Saga to Facebook. If you want to connect your Facebook with Candy Crush Saga so that you can save your progress and play across devices, first of all open the Candy Crush Saga app on your phone. From the homepage, tap on the My Account button and click on the Reconnect account right next to the Facebook logo. Now follow through the on-screen prompts and enter your Facebook account's credential. Tap the Continue button and follow through the instructions. Enter your email or phone number associated with Facebook and also make sure to type in your Facebook's password. After entering your credential, tap Login. And right after you do that, you will be able to log in to Candy Crush Saga with Facebook. Now your game progress will be saved to your Facebook account so you can play across different devices and keep your level. Friends who also play on Facebook will also appear on the map. And that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.